and now he's done his cookies. What you call these cookies?
I'll name it chocolate chip cookies man.
Okay.
I'm a man, not this man.
Okay. Okay. He's our little chef, isn't it?
Yes.
So what is your name? What's your name?
Little professional chef.
Oh my goodness, you get your own crown, isn't it? You got your own little crown?
Yes, I'm a professional chef.
Oh. Our little chef is got a pendant on it. Isn't it? You're so cute in your apron.
Yes.
You look at me. Jeez, my goodness, you're so cute.